What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
We hope you are doing well.
In today's video, it's gonna be a crawl off. So we're putting my custom rig up against Mrs. Propaganda's Axial Wraith. So just a quick background. In one of my last videos, I was kind of testing and tuning the crawler rig. Well, I went ahead and I did get some softer springs, so I got the suspension working pretty good on the custom build. If you're unfamiliar with this custom build, basically it's a Vs410 chassis kit from Vanquish with Trx4 portal axles, and I've been working on getting it tuned up a little bit. I switched to the Proline Hyrax tires. And the last time I took it out, which wasn't on video, it definitely did a little bit better, but this is a pretty dang high-end rig. The Wraith, all I have upgraded on it are some Proline big bore scalar shocks, which I just recently added the red springs on the front to stiffen it up a little bit. It's got the stock springs in the back with 37.5 weight oil, and in the front we got 40 weight oil. And the only other mod is in the rear with the anti-rocker from Vanquish, which is currently falling off, which really stinks. But I'm gonna have to just tighten up the bolt and get that back on. But that's what we got going on, and we're gonna tackle a couple difficult lines that I have over here and see what truck performs better, or just, you know, kind of compare, see how they crawl. So let's get to crawling. All right, I just had to tighten up that screw right here. It's tight. The Wraith is ready to go. So it's going to be rocking the J Concept landmines. So let's see what she can do. All right, Mrs. Prop is ready. Look at that. Look at how good she looks in that new Scale of Order shirt. That's right. Visit the link in the description and you can get a shirt just like it. All right, so this is our main obstacle right here. I'm going to set this camera down, and it's tricky, but I know how to get up it, but it's not something you can replicate. So I'm just gonna kind of practice and see which one of these rigs can make it up first. So let us know in the comments what rig you think will make it up first. What you got? Come on there, Tip McGee. That's not how you do it. Facing the front there. I know how to do it. See how I'm going over like this? This is where this is. Dang. I did it the other day. Yeah, that's one thing I hate about that. We got to get some shorter cables on the battery. I can just cut it and resolder it.
Oh my God!
Alright, so I made it up, but I can't go up the other part that I want to go up.
Yeah, you can
Oh, don't hit the camera.
I was looking at
See how I did it? Oh, too much throttle. Alright, so I made it up, but in Mrs. Prop's fairness, or whatever, I kind of know how to do it. So let's give her a few more chances before I take the radio and see if I can get the Wraith up there. Go left, go left. Gotta get that back tire onto that. No, you're not gonna. You gotta stay up on that ledge, and then as you come up, you gotta get that back tire here and then go. I got. Oh, you were right on it. You were close. Yeah, right? The mosquitoes or something.
No, they're like some little bichos.
Right? Oh, oh, you fell off.
Ay.
Nope. Oh. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Too much throttle now. Don't go so much. You'll learn to finesse it up.
You say go down, go.
Well, you go, but you go too much. You get in the spot, but then you're just like, you go too much. You go just enough. Yep. Oh.
Whoa! Look, Matt, the wheels.
Give me a couple more times and I want to try.
Yeah.
It's like Axial Fest. Right there.
Go
Oh,
home.
you stop when you should just keep going. Oh, almost.
Okay, you try.
Okay. All right, I'm taking over the reins. See if I can get the Wraith up there. Oh, I got farther than you on my first try.
Farther on the floor. Break it.
I think your horn might be stripped out. It's not turning.
It wasn't doing that just now.
Yeah, well, it's stripped out. This plastic. See how it goes, but only thing I can do is try to see if I can tighten it, but I think it's stripped out.
Oh no.
My wrenches are in my pocket. I'm going over there like...
That's it. Last time I let you drive my carrito.
Maybe it's just loose.
Oh, it's
loose? It was just loose, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wrong radio.
Okay, seems good.
Yeah, it was just loose. Okay, the Wraith continues on.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, I am the winner.
You're a big winner. Well, I do have a lot of faith in these cars.
Alright, so I was able to make it with the J Concepts and the Wraith. So tires weren't a factor. It was all the driver. She does good, but some of the technical stuff she doesn't quite understand. So I'm going to move over to another steep line and see what tires do a little bit better. So let's go.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, so just follow me. Come on. Don't get too close because you know I gotta back up. Yeah, your horn's stripped. Well, the crawl off didn't go as planned. The plastic horn on the servo and the Wraith is gone, but I'll order a new servo for it and get that thing tuned up because I'm actually pretty intrigued by it myself, and I want to put some wheel time on it, and I figured the design of it will be good against my custom build. So these are some challenging lines here, so I'm going to hit a couple more lines just for the sake of this crawl off. It didn't quite go as well, but if this kind of crawl off stuff interests you, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to do this with other rigs. And I've kind of done it before, and I've set up some lines, and I've done a lot of like comparisons, but not like very in depth. Like I just kind of let you guys see what lines each truck tackles and how they do it. But I could always come out, I have tennis balls for line markers that I cut up, and I could pick some of my best lines, and we could do a little bit more in depth with I got the Red Cat, the Trx4, which I need a shock shaft to get that truck going again. But then I got the Element, we got the Wraith, we got my custom build, and what else do we got? That's it for crawlers.
My Bronco.
Oh, and we got a pretty, well, not super modded, but we got a SCX 10.2 Bronco that Mrs. Prop actually prefers the most. She really likes her Bronco, and honestly, it's not too modified, and she does quite good with that. So I'm gonna try to go far over and get up there. So let's see if I can do that line with the custom build. Timber. That was pretty good.
Careful with the poo!
Over there.
Oh. Just in case.
Yeah, let's try one more time to get farther over. The side hilling is the problem. See the tires? You're not holding it up. So I think tire foam's the next for these tires, because these are just stock. Ah.
There you go.
Wow, so I was able to kind of conquer that line. I was trying to walk it over and kind of get on the steeper part there, just going very slow. And I was really surprised because I wasn't able to do that before. I don't know, maybe right now the sun isn't beating on the rocks and maybe the traction is a little bit higher when the rocks are a little cooler. I've heard that before about this particular rock in our area, but I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that, but that's just kind of what I'm thinking about. So I don't necessarily need to get a new servo. I do have servo horns that I can put on there, but the stock servo in the Wraith isn't that great, so maybe I'll pick up a servo, but I have a horn I can throw on there so Mrs. Prop can kind of contend in this and we can kind of continue this video. I kind of seen how I had a line, so I will set up some tennis balls and we'll have to see if we can get the Wraith to do these same lines. So I like the differences in rigs, and I really want to see what rig can do certain lines and what ones can't. You can tell by the video there how those tires are really conforming on the side hill. The foams just are not enough, and that's not even a heavy rig. That's just stock Proline foams in there. So I think I have some foams I could use. I'm not sure. I think they got wet. I have to investigate them and see how they're doing, but it was pretty challenging. It was pretty cool, and I kind of like this idea of a crawl off, right? Like 2 rigs, gnarly lines, pin them together, see what they can do. So I know Mrs. Prop will be happy to get the rig going again and try to compete. She is getting better every time she goes out and crawls. She just has to learn a little bit more of a technique and throttle control, and she'll do all right. But we had fun. This was just kind of a fun video. I didn't really anticipate the servo horn breaking.
So soon.
So it is what it is. It's not the video I was hoping to get, but I figured we'd share it with you guys, let you guys see the custom rig after the little theft incident. So I'm happy to have it back, and you can see why it crawls really good. But yeah, I guess that's enough rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, leave a like, leave a comment below. I know you guys can comment because I do a giveaway and I've never got so many comments. So make sure you comment on this because I know the people who watch the videos regularly, and I get a lot of people saying, oh, I love your videos, but where were you in the comments before, bro? Like, right? There's a giveaway and now you just pop up, but whatever. I mean, I'm not mad at it. That's the part of the giveaway. People come out of the woodwork for a giveaway. That's part of why I did it, right? I know people will come to the channel trying to get more eyes on it, trying to grow. So I'm not going to be mad at you. But if you like the channel, right, comment. Let me know. Say, hey, cool video. Hey, I didn't really like that. The Wraith sucks. Mrs.
Leave
Prop,
a little emoji or something.
yeah, something. Comment anything. Spam the comments. Say poop. I don't care, right? Say Mrs. Propaganda is ugly.
Yeah.
Say Mr. Propaganda is the greatest guy in the world. Like I don't care. But leave a comment. Let us know. But appreciate you guys watching, and subscribe, leave the like, and we'll catch you guys
next one. In the next one.
Nah, we screwed it up. Peace out.